Hello once again. For those of you who don't know me, this is Earl Saniba, professional concept artist and illustrator. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown on how I go about creating a fairly simple painting such as this one. Let's do this. I began with a blank canvas. Then I came up with a quick rough sketch. I later reduced the opacity of the rough sketch, and then I created a more refined line drawing. Moving on to the coloring phase, I began by filling up the background with a gradient ranging from a slightly desaturated pink all the way down to a humble twilight blue. As a matter of fact, the color scheme for this piece was heavily inspired by a scene from the movie known as Badlands. I haven't seen the movie, so don't ask me what it's about. I moved on to the figure and I filled in the basic shapes with flat colors. I later attached a camo texture onto the soldier's shirt and helmet. In addition to that, I further broke down the shapes with different colors. My next objective was to create a simple horizon line along with a beautiful crescent moon. Once again, I was inspired by this image from the movie Badlands. Immediately after that, I introduced a light source. This lighting technique is known as half shadow. You can learn more about half shadows in James Gurney's book titled Color and Light. Finally, I blurred the background just a little bit, and I also added a few birds in the sky. And that's it, the painting's complete. Once again, thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.